Hi viewers, so in this video we are visiting at Anmol the Nature residential project located in Karjat beyond Thane, Mumbai. So we are at the project location and here you can see the main highway. So this is the main connecting road in front of the project. And from here you can take the exterior view of project tower. So this is the front elevation. Now this is the way towards the project site. And here you can see the grand entrance. So this is the main entrance gate of the residential society. And here we are showing you the phase 2, which is under construction stage. And that's phase 1, which is of G+4 floor rise structure. And here's the phase 2. And the construction of this tower is of G+7 floors. And on the ground floor we have the commercial shops. And now we are at the parking area. And here is the lift and staircase service. And this will be the entrance towards the tower. And friends, now we are taking you into a 2 BHK actual flat to give you the interior view. So this is the main entrance door, and here you can see the living area designed with an attached balcony. And just opposite to this we have a modular kitchen. And now we are taking you into the first bedroom of this flat. So here it is. The room is designed with an attached balcony. And this is the common washroom. And behind the washroom we have the utility area. And now we are entering into the master bedroom, which is designed with laminated wooden flooring. So this bedroom comes with an attached washroom. And it also has an attached balcony. So from here you can take the exterior view. The project is surrounded by lush greenery. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.